welcome to Fresh Clean Threads. How can I take your order?
Hey, can I get a black crew neck medium? Do you want anything?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the ocean blue polo medium, please. Oh, can I get the navy Henley? Oh my gosh, wow, they have so much stuff. Look at all this. So many colors, joggers and shorts and socks. Why didn't you tell me they had socks, Jake?
I mean, I'm sorry.
Did you want me to throw in a pair of socks?
I'm sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and do the 3-pack of medium boxer briefs. Actually, you know what, can you make that the 7-pack, please? I don't wanna have to come back here. Do you wanna split a 5-pack?
Sure, whatever, man.
We're gonna split a 5-pack. I'm gonna get 3, he gets 2.
We'll have joint custody of the red one, okay?
We'll talk about it, but probably not.
You can order online too. Fresh Clean Threads are shipped right to your door.
Wait, so we didn't have to drive here in the nude?
It was a good bonding experience, my guy.